Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angel, and thanks for joining me. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. As you can see by my desk being full of polishes, I kind of decided that I'm going to reorganize them all. In one of my videos, I had mentioned that I didn't know how to organize all of the polishes, and I kind of decided that I'm gonna do it by color. So I've kind of grouped them all. I got all the blues and the purples and the greens, reds, pinks, neutrals, yellows, oranges. I've kind of done it like that. And since I'm doing all that work, I'm going ahead and making some swatches for the polishes because I just think it's going to be easier this way than looking through my swatches and, all that kind of stuff. So this is what I'm doing. And I thought I'd just show you at the end my end result on what it's going to be like. And I just want to know what you guys do. How do you guys organize your polishes? Is it by brand? Is it by color? I don't know. I don't know what's the right answer, but and then I have all I don't have very many, but like as of right now I have like all of my liner gels, and I kind of just put them all in here separate, so they're not going to be with the regular polishes. And then these aren't all of my polishes. I have this set from AB Gel, and actually these turned out to be really good polishes. I use them all the time. I'm totally obsessed with some of the colors. They're just gorgeous. Like, I actually just use that to paint. I'm doing a set, and here's the first coat of it with this polish. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh. Anyways, a lot of these gels, especially their glitters, are literally to die for. I don't know if you can see that, how pretty that is. Anyways, this is a little off topic of what I am doing, but I'm going to keep this separate because I do tend to go towards this, and I know. I just know. But for all of these polishes, there's, I have like 20 different blues here, and it's a little annoying. So I'm going to do the tops, get these all on. I'm starting with the greens here, and I don't have anything special. I'm just putting them in. I have these containers. They're pretty heavy duty. I got them off of Amazon, and these are actually designed for kitchen, like to put in your refrigerator. So they are pretty heavy duty, and they do have slots for dividers if I really want to use them. And so far I haven't, but maybe I will now. Alright, well, if you're going to watch and going to stick around, I'd appreciate it. You don't have to. I just thought I'd tell you what I'm going to do. And I'll put maybe like a clip of how this actually turns out in the end. And I'm going to just speed through this as well. And I would just like to say that it is, I think, 1 in the morning. I'm a night owl, as you can tell. These stickers are a little fiddly. What? Oh, these are terrible. Luckily, I have these ones, and these ones are wonderful. These are from Temu, and they work really, really well. And I got some runaways. These tweezers are like a needle. They're so sharp. I don't even think I can use those. I'll just stick to my regular tweezers. Although they're not working as well. Yeah, this is much better. I don't actually need those. Alright, so this is all I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch some, and then put these on it, stickers, and then put the swatches on top. Nothing too exciting. The only thing about this is I am covering up the number here, so my swatches are going to be kind of useless. Alright, my first little section. There, I think that'll be easier to find the greens. So I'm just going to continue sticking on my stickers and swatching. I'll bring you back at the end. Alright, I just finished. I think it's about 4:30, so I think it took about 3.5 hours of labeling, swatching. This isn't all my polish, but it's most of it. But yeah, I'm mostly happy with it. I have some tweaking to do, but I think I'm done for today. Yeah, this was quite. It was good to do because now I know. Now I can see what colors I actually need instead of, blindly buying just randomness. Yeah. All right. Let me know what you guys do for your organization and give me some tips. I need some tips. Until the next video, bye. Thank you for watching.